Mukagali Makatayev is an outstanding Kazakh poet. Mukagali Makatayev is an outstanding Kazakh poet, whose poetic attitude to the world is based on the desire for true existence. He is a poet who brought endless space and unprecedented heights to the world of Kazakh poetry. He is a poet who gave a feeling of long lines and insatiable mood, love full of joy and sadness. Inspiration Mukagali Maqatayev was born on February 9th, 1931 in the village of Karsas in the Almaty region. The full name of the writer is Muhammad Kali. He was the eldest of 3 children. During the Great Patriotic War, Mukagali Maqatayev was 10 years old. The cold of war hit the poet's family hard. Father Suleiman died in the war, and the boy Mukagali remained in charge of the family. As a teenager, Mukagali Maqatayev began to become seriously interested in poetry. He was inspired by the books of Abay Kunanbayev, Mukhtar Avezov, Khalid Musrepov, Sakin Seyfulin, having independently learned the Russian language. He became interested in reading the poetry of Pushkin, Yesenin, Blok. He was also interested in the works of Shakespeare, Goethe, Hugo, Dumas, Byron, Dreiser, Stendhal, London, and Balzac. A heart like little birch tree. Let me exchange my life with tree. Become a man instead of me. Do you agree, the little tree? It sounds ridiculous, doesn't it? Give that log once, please give it. Become a man instead of me. My bustling world to view and see. I will become a tree like you. Observe your woodland as you do. Then find my trees in timberland among those birch trees if I could. You grow and blossom on the land. I grow perceived out from the land. Made of spirits, the both of us. You utter nothing, but I can. With soul you are to no tongue. Yes, all difference. I am a man. I was granted a lovely heart. You were granted plenty lives. Your lives resembling many souls prolong your lifelong existence.